Log streaming collects events from your wide area private cloud or WPC, saves them in your AWS S3 bucket, and then lets you send them onto your SIEM. These events include VPN connections, disconnections and failed attempts, allowed and blocked traffic flows, access blocked by content filtering, and access blocked by intrusion protection. In order to set it up, go to API and Logs and click on Log Streaming. If you need a refresher how to configure AWS S3 bucket, click on the link and you're going to see step-by-step instructions on how to do this. Once you're done with setting up your bucket, go back to CloudConnexa, and from here, click on Configure. In the following page, you need to enter your bucket name first. So let me go ahead, type it in, and then you need to choose your bucket region. Then you can turn on or turn off the type of events that you want to stream. By default, all events are streamed until you're customized. To fine-tune, click on Customize under the log source you want, and then configure it. We will look into that in the next step. Once you're done with everything and you're happy with your configuration, go ahead and click on Activate. As you can see, the provisioning is happening right now. This is going to take a few minutes. I'm going to stop the video here and come back when it's done. Okay, we can see that it's activated now and the provisioning is done. As I mentioned earlier, log streaming sends all events from a chosen log source, even the ones that you didn't care about. That means your SIEM could get cluttered with extra data, making it harder to find what really matters. To fine-tune, click Customize under the log source you want and select which entities, such as user groups, networks, or hosts, you want to stream events for. Now you can select multiple entities, and you can include or exclude those events. As you can see here, I included a couple of groups, network IP services, and I'm going to exclude a network from access visibility events. We can do the same for other log sources. For example, for block domains, I'm going to choose a couple of groups that we're going to include those events and click on Apply. And for block traffic, I'm going to exclude a couple of user groups. So let me go ahead and choose that and apply it. And we can do the same thing for the DNS logs. Now, at any time, if you want to stop streaming from a log source, you can just come here and toggle the switch to turn it off. For any reason, if you see it necessary to pause the streaming, you can just click on pause to do this. Granular log streaming helps you filter out the noise, focus on what's important, and give your team sharper insights for better threat detection and investigation. For more information, visit our website, openvpn.net, and check out our documentations and tutorials under the Resources tab.